Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on seller vacation mode on StockX. You may be wondering why my StockX looks so dark, and that's because I have the dark theme turned on. So if you want to turn on dark theme or dark mode, I'm going to also show you that. So let's do it. So on the upper right hand side, anyways, you want to hover over your account and go to settings, right? And here you will find the dark theme, so you can turn it on or off as you wish, right? So that's it. And it's in the same place where you will find the seller vacation mode. As you can see right here, this is it. Click, you can go ahead and turn it on. Keep in mind that once you turn on seller vacation mode, they will temporarily disable all of your acts on the stock marketplace. So you can choose if you want to enable it or basically have it turned on. But keep that in mind. Simple turn it on and that's it. So you turn it on and you have the vacation mode on. Once you're ready to turn it off, you go back to your settings on the upper right hand side and go down to seller vacation mode and turn that off. Click turn off. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple. That's all that you have to do.